Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to hide Google recommendations on Chromecast.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Now, Google recommendations look like this. So these are YouTube, this is browser, Spotify, these are different apps. So all of this comprise of Google recommendations. If Google recommendations were not here, I'll be able to see just the apps I have on this device. So on Chromecast, if you want to remove all of these Google recommendations, it's really this top bar under the home screen is full of Google recommendations, all of these movies. So on Chromecast, to remove Google recommendations, just come over to your profile, click on it, click on manage accounts, click on the account that you want to manage. I'm using the DaveTech account. Just head over down to find apps only mode. So if you click on app only mode, this turns it on, and when it's on, it's going to hide all of Google's recommendations on Chromecast. If I go back to the home screen right there, probably that setting does not apply. So let's do it again. Manage accounts, app only mode, turn it on. Okay, we failed to click on the turn on button. So if you click on the turn on button and go back to the home screen, it's going to refresh, and now all of those recommendations we saw at the top of the home screen and even going down on the home screen are going to disappear. You find a very easy to use, simple, ultra simple user interface with just the apps here. I ain't gonna lie, I like it a lot more than the version that has the Google recommendations. So that's how you hide recommendations. It gives you very clean display and interface to enjoy your Chromecast. So if you found that useful, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll see you in the next video. This is DaveTech signing out.